Most people think learning to code starts with writing your first line of code. It doesn't. It starts with learning the right things in the right order. These 10 free websites solve every step of becoming a developer. From complete beginner to building projects companies actually want to see. Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes. Most beginners jump straight into tutorials. A few HTML videos, some CSS, maybe a little JavaScript. Then they quit because they have no idea what comes next. That's exactly why Roadmap.sh exists. Instead of giving you lessons, it gives you a complete learning path. Front-end, back-end, full-stack, Python, Java, cybersecurity, DevOps, AI. Each roadmap shows what to learn first, what to skip for now, and what comes next. Instead of wandering through random tutorials, you're following a path used by thousands of developers. Now that you know where you're going, you need somewhere to actually learn. That's where freeCodeCamp comes in. Instead of charging hundreds of dollars, it teaches programming through interactive lessons. You write code directly in your browser, complete small challenges, build projects, and earn certificates as you progress. Millions of people have used it to start learning web development completely free. But every course has the same limitation. Eventually it ends. Real developers don't stop learning when the lessons stop. They read documentation. That's where MDN Web Docs becomes one of the most valuable websites on the internet. Maintained with contributions from Mozilla and the web development community, MDN explains how HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and modern web APIs actually work. When you're unsure how something behaves, this is usually where experienced developers look first. Learning documentation early saves countless hours later. Soon enough, though, reading isn't enough. You need to build something. Frontend Mentor solves one of the biggest problems beginners face: knowing what to build. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you get real website designs to recreate yourself. Landing pages, dashboards, e-commerce layouts, portfolio sites. Each challenge feels like something a real client might ask for, and by the time you've finished a few of them, you've got projects worth showing. But copying projects isn't the same as solving problems on your own. That's why Exercism is different. It gives you coding exercises designed to strengthen your problem-solving skills. Instead of memorizing syntax, you're learning how developers actually think. Many exercises even include feedback from experienced mentors, helping you improve the way you write code, not just whether it works. Sooner or later, though, every developer hits the same wall: an error message, a bug, something that simply refuses to work. That's when Stack Overflow becomes your best friend. For years, developers have been asking and answering programming questions there. There's a good chance someone has already faced the exact problem you're dealing with. Learning how to search for solutions is a skill every programmer eventually develops, but solving problems isn't enough anymore. Employers want proof. That's where GitHub comes in. GitHub is where developers store their code, collaborate on projects, contribute to open source software, and build portfolios. Your GitHub profile often says more about your skills than a certificate ever could. It shows what you've built, how often you code, and how you've improved over time. As your projects become larger, another problem appears: constantly switching between documentation websites. That's exactly why DevDocs exists. It brings documentation from dozens of programming languages and frameworks into one fast, searchable place. Instead of opening 5 browser tabs, everything is available from a single interface. It sounds simple, but once you start using it, it's surprisingly difficult to go back. Eventually, you'll reach a point where tutorials feel too easy. You need something closer to real software engineering. That's where Codecrafters comes in. Instead of building another to-do app, you rebuild technologies programmers use every day. And finally, there's one website almost every self-taught developer has heard: the Odin Project. Unlike individual courses, it combines everything into one complete curriculum: documentation, projects, Git, GitHub, JavaScript, databases, React, Node. Along the way, it constantly pushes you toward reading official documentation and building real projects instead of depending on video tutorials. That's one reason so many developers recommend it long after they've found their first job. If you found even one website you'll use, subscribe. Every week we uncover another part of the internet that can give you a real advantage. I'll see you in the next one.